Good day, my viewers. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, today we are going to continue with our last discussion on angle of elevation and depression. So, for today, we are going to be looking at problem on angle of depression. In this section, we try to solve problems when angles of depression are given. So, note. So, I want you to know this diagram. Angle of depression and angle of elevation are equal because they are alternative angles. Can you see now? Let's say we have what we have from here. Okay, from here we have what we have an observer from the top of the building and is sighting at something here. Let's say it's sighting at an object here. Are you getting now? It's sighting at an object here. Are you getting now? The angle this person, the angle. This is the normal height level here. So the angle is going to make this is the sight line of sight. So the angle is going to make is what is angle of depression. Are you getting now? And don't forget that if you have this, are you getting now? And we have what tower. Let's say we have the ground here. You can see now when you have this, are you getting now? You can see that this is alternate angles. Do you understand that they are alternate angles here? It should be alternate angles. Alternate angles. Do you understand? So it will be what? It will be alternate angle. Alternate from the word alternate. Okay? So this should be alternate. That is alternate. Do you understand? So alternate angle, that is what it's going to be. So not alternative angles. I'm very sorry for that mistake there. So now from here, can you see? So therefore, whatever you have here, I get it now, will actually be what we have here. So we need to take note of that in when we are talking about depression. Do you understand now? So now let's continue. Let's have this problem here. The problem here from the top of a tower. Let's say this is the tower here. Let's say this is the tower here. Tower is something very high. This is the tower here. From the top of the tower, this is the top of the tower here. Maybe somebody is there observing. A man, that angle of depression of a car. Let's say we have a car here, or you can even put it somewhere around this place. Okay, you can put it here. This is down, or you put it here, down here. Let's say this is the car here. So now, when you have the car here, the angle of depression of a car on the ground. This is the ground here. Okay, we have the what? We have the ground. We have the ground here. Are you getting now? So now is what? You have what? The angle of depression. You can see this is the normal height level of it. So this angle is what? Angle of depression. Are you getting now? So now if you try to, if the car is a distance 40 meters away from the tower, this is the what? This is the tower here, and this is the car here. Definitely we have a distance from here to the what? To the bottom of the tower here to be what? 40 meters. Are you getting it now? Definitely, if you can have this like this, we can say this angle here is equal to this angle, and this one is what? Is 30 degrees according from the question given. So this place also will be what? 30 degrees. Are you getting it now? The question has to find the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower, and this is very simple. So far we have 30 degrees here. Then we have this place to be 40 meters. That is the distance from what? The distance from here. The distance from here to this place, okay, to be what? To be 40 meters. It is very simple. So what are we going to look for? If you look at our SOHCAHTOA, okay, SOHCAHTOA. So don't forget this thing, because these are what? Trigonometric ratio. So we are going to have, you can see that height is what we are looking for, and the adjacent is given. Definitely we are going to make use of TOA. We are going to have tan 30 to be equals to h, that is the height, divided by 40. So from here, you do cross multiplication. You have our height to be 40 tan 30 degrees. Are you getting now? So from there, what will be we are going to have our h, that is the height of the tower, to be tan 40, or let's say 40 times tan 30 is going to give us 0.5. 773. That is, if you use your calculator or you look into your 4-figure table, so we are going to have 23.7 0.09, okay, meter. Now if you are asked to round everything up to the nearest whole number, so we are going to have 23 meters, and that is the final answer. So now this is where we are going to stop for today. So now if you have any questions, do not hesitate to hit on the comment box and ask your question. And also, if you find this class very interesting, so now kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the notifications bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload my videos. Thank you so much for watching.